Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today I'm going to show you how to create reels on Facebook Lite. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up Facebook Lite and then log into your account if you haven't logged into your account. So once I've logged into your account, so what you're going to do now here, when you click on your top right here, you'll see three lines. Click on it. So when you click on it here, you will see this reels section here. So it's called reels. So simply open up reels, and then now once you have done this, so what are you going to do? You're going to hit on this on your top here. You'll see a create option there. So simply select the create option. So when you get to this create option, now this will show up your items from your gallery. So you can either choose any of these media items from your gallery and make a reel out of it, or you can also choose the camera option here to record a video and then upload it as a reel. So either way you can just choose here. So whatever it is, then you can just record it, or either upload a video from your phone and then do the editing, and then that's it, post it. So that's how you create reels on Facebook Lite. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.